So today I'm going to be showing you how to load film into the Leica 3C. This particular model I think is from 1949 or about 1950. It's a fairly complicated process if you don't know how to do it. There's a couple of steps you have to go through first in order to actually take out the film spool so you can load the film. First of all, you have to cock the shutter. Okay, the shutter speed dial must be on the setting for 30 seconds to 1 second, which it is, with the arrow on the hot shoe. Then, with the slower shutter speed dial, this needs to be on the T, which it is. And now the shutter will stay open. You then need to remove the lens. As you can see, the shutter has stayed open. Now you need to remove the base plate by picking out this little handle and turning it anti-clockwise. Now you should be able to remove the film spool. So now that the hardest part is over, you're going to set the film counter to -2 because you're going to advance 2 slides before taking the first shot, which is there. And now you need to actually put the film onto the spool so that you can put it back in the camera. So the fat end goes in the camera first, and this, you have to slide it under this little thing here till it's nice and firmly in there. And pull it out a bit. And then like so, goes in, making sure it's still tucked under that flap. Okay, so as you can see, the film is a bit bent and messed around in there. So I started again, I took out the film and completely redid it. Pushed it in a bit further this time, made sure it really stuck on. And there we go, there are no film sprockets showing. So we should be good to go. Put the cover back on, fits on nicely this time, twist it, close it. Just going to wind this to get some tension, it's already there. I'm going to flick the switch back to advance after I've put it to -2. Okay, and the shutter's released. Closed, I mean. Now you can put the lens back on. The lens has to be open to do this. It has to be pulled out. And then being careful not to cross-thread it. That's quite hard to do, but... Okay, there we go. Now you can turn it, making sure that the left wheel is also turning at the same time, which it is. Okay, so the shutter is cocked. It's actually on, it's already reading 0 at the moment, but you can just manually turn that back. Okay, and there you have it. You've now loaded the film and are ready to shoot. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in another video.